The Urban Survival Channel outlines a three-tier plan for earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, and power outages with practical steps. For earthquakes, secure furniture, anchor shelves, and practice drop, cover, and hold on until shaking ends. For floods, identify higher ground, map escape routes, elevate valuables, seal basements, and keep a waterproof kit. For hurricanes, reinforce windows, trim trees, secure outdoor items, and keep a battery radio plus a charged power bank. Across all events, assemble a 72-hour kit with water and food, first aid, flashlights, batteries, documents, and a plan.